Looking for a useful web design company? Meet Major Conversion. Are you looking for an affordable web design company that can help you? Major Conversion can work with startups, small businesses, Christian churches, or even large or enterprise businesses. Depending on the work that's needed, we generally have a plan for you. For most startups, small businesses, and smaller Christian churches, we would recommend our main all-in-one plan. It comes with a professionally built multi-page website, built-in SEO features to improve your rank and website visibility on search engine platforms like Google, Bing, Yahoo, and so on. When you need edits made to the website, not only can we make the edits for you, included in this all-in-one plan, but you'll also have access to a drag-and-drop website building tool so you can edit your website as you please. Also, you'll be able to use your own custom domain whenever you do make this website live. One of the coolest parts of this plan is that it comes with a free 7-day trial. In this 7-day free trial, we will design and develop your website free of charge. And at the end of it, if you'd like it and want to move forward with it and make it live, then all we ask is for you to cover hosting and maintenance costs, which at the time of recording this video is just $50 a month. To see if pricing has changed since then, please visit our website, majorconversion.com/pricing. If you're a medium to large size business, medium to large church, government entity, or enterprise level establishment, the highly custom plan may be a better fit for you. This will help your website to stand out more. It may include custom functions as needed, higher security standards if needed, as well as more advanced custom integrations if needed. So if you already have a technology stack and you're wondering if this website can be integrated within that, this may be a good fit for you. Or even if your website just receives really high amounts of traffic, this may be a much better fit for you. If any of these things sounds like you, please request a quote from us at majorconversion.com/contact-us. Once again, that's majorconversion.com/contact-us. So if you're a medium to large size business, medium to large church, government entity, or enterprise level establishment, this is probably a much better fit for you. Just to show you, here's what some others have said about us. Tuya Health Spas is a gym fitness business with 5 different locations across a number of different cities. This is what the owner said about us in this testimonial. Your company is what I would consider is a non-corporate but down-to-earth business to help the average business in a way that makes a difference for us. You're taking care of us from a grassroots perspective. Sincerely, like family. A church, a Pentecostal Christian church, Ministerio Unidos en Cristo, also known as MUC, this is what they had to say about us. Reliable, extremely reliable and knowledgeable in what you're doing. Very patient. Regardless of how many changes I need, you guys always make it happen. Wiley Productions is an AV technology business that has now since expanded their services to include even more things. This is what they had to say about us. Phenomenal client care, supportive and informative throughout the entire brand building process, and I mean it. To learn more about us and to give us an opportunity to earn your business, please visit us at majorconversion.com. On our website, you can read more about us, you can see case studies, as well as read some frequently asked questions and answers to see how we work. We're really looking for the opportunity to earn your business, especially if you feel like you're a candidate for the all-in-one plan. Its 7-day free trial will design and develop your website for free, at which point at the end of the trial, you'll be able to see your mostly finished, if not finished, website and decide whether you want to move forward with it or not. If not, no harm, no foul. And if you do want to move forward with it, then no problem. All we ask is that you just cover hosting and maintenance costs. If you're interested in seeing more what this is about and how this thing works, like I said, please visit our website, majorconversion.com. We really are trying to get an opportunity to earn your business.